Hi everyone, welcome to Storyboard That. Thanks for joining us. Today I'm going to be showing you how easy it is to log into Storyboard That using your Google account. This is for teachers in a single teacher account. If you're in a multi-teacher or school account, your administrator should have already set this up for you. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm on the Storyboard That login page right here, and I'm just going to sign in with Google, and it'll automatically bring you in since I'm already signed into my Google account. However, I do need to finish setting up my account, which is super easy with this import from Google button right here. So let's go ahead and click that button, and you can see that we are ready to start adding our classes. I'm going to import my classes with Google. It might take a second and ask you to allow access to Storyboard That, so just select allow access. And then it'll bring all my Google Classroom classes here, so I can just select all of them because I want my period 1 and 2 class, and then we can import them. Just give it a second to import, and then we're all done. We can go back to our dashboard, and you can see if I go to my classes section here, both of those classes were brought in. Any students that are in that Google Classroom will automatically have accounts created for them as well, and they can log in with their Google single sign-on to easily get access to their account. So I hope this showed how easy it is to log in with Google and add your classes. Thank you so much for watching, and happy storyboarding.